I'm Scott Jordan. For more than 27 years, our showroom was located at the corner of Varick and Spring Streets in Manhattan. Last year, that property was sold and the building is being demolished. In 1980, when I started this business, my workshop and showroom were in the same location on Atlantic Avenue in Brooklyn. Last year, when planning our next step, I wanted once again to have our showroom and workshop in the same location. We've opened our new showroom here at the Brooklyn Navy Yard, next to our workshop, a true factory showroom where you can actually visit the factory. We think that our process of furniture making is interesting, and we hope that our clients will enjoy seeing what we do. We invite your visit to our furniture loft, where you'll be able to see many examples of our work. We have on display a definitive collection of the world's top quality sofa beds from both American and European sources. And our courteous and professional delivery operation is second to none. Our delivery team will leave you smiling.